this video, we're going to show you how to replace or maintain your axles, bearings, and rollers. If you haven't already, please watch our previous videos for additional tips about these parts. To start, we recommend preparing the following tools. A non-marring hammer, such as this rawhide face hammer. This ensures you don't damage the axles. A 5/16 inch or 7/8 inch diameter steel or wooden dowel, about 1 3/4 inch long. You just want to make sure it's smaller than the 1 inch diameter axle to make bearing installation easy. A standard painter's putty knife with a 2 to 3 inch blade. And a 3/16 inch hex key wrench for the set screw. Manual will do, which we will be using for this video. However, we usually use an impact wrench, which you can use as well. If you don't already have your skate disassembled, you can follow this video in reverse. First, take one of the washers and the axle and place the axle through the boss until it's about 1/4 inch through, and place the washer on the inside of the frame over the axle. Second, pick up the roller with the bearings and dowel already inside and place it inside the frame, resting one end over the axle. Third, while holding the roller with one hand, use the hammer to drive the axle through the skate frame until the axle is about 1/4 inch from the inside of the other end of the frame. Fourth, using the putty knife, push back the bearings to make room for the washer and hold the washer in place. Fifth, drive the axle through the rest of the way, making sure that the set screw well in the axle is lined up with the set screw hole on the boss. Sixth, use your Allen wrench or impact wrench and install the set screw back in the frame. Lastly, you'll want to make sure to re-grease each roller. Use a general all-purpose grease. Apply the grease through the grease fitting until you can see it in the washers. Keeping the rollers well greased is one of the most important things you can do to maintain your skates and should be done after every use.